All right, guys, about to go film a couple shots from A Squad. Take this puppy with me. Whoop. Take this puppy with me. Film a couple shots from A Squad. Scores are silly high, so hopefully some crazy scores from us today. And I think Nick's gonna take over the camera today. So yeah, tune in.
Let's go, Pack. Practice time. Let's get it.
Practice. There's a lot of strikes to be had. I need all of them. Calm, cool, and collected mindset, though. Calm, cool, and collected. Stay focused on the process.
First of all, hi everyone, subscribe to the channel. And it's a pitch black kind of day for the first, I don't know, game and a half, 2 games. And then maybe a Zen Master.
Ooh, Zen Master. Curving them?
I don't think so. I don't think we can actually curve them that much. The gutter here doesn't really like to hook. Because it's 32 feet, it does, but once you get a little too much left or right, it doesn't like to pick up unless you really fire it at the gutter, but then it has a really high chance of going in the gutter.
What if I told you it wasn't 32 feet?
What is it, 34 feet?
34.
Oh, well then, still short.
More power to you.
Yeah.
Halfway through, what are we seeing out there?
I should have made that spare.
Unbelievable. But you have strikes in the other one, so
We're gonna can strike 5 out of 6 shots
every game.
I'll take my chances.
We're halfway through this game, a little over halfway. What are we seeing out there?
As long as I get it to the friction, but not too quick, but not too late, it strikes.
So what you're saying is you have to be a professional bowler.
Yeah,
you have to hit your spot.
Hit your target, get it to hook in the right place.
Yeah, exactly.
That seems like it would work.
I don't know. That seems pretty difficult.
Yeah, but even if you get it there quick, if you have the right hand, then it doesn't get off line.
How many revelations are you putting on right now?
I don't know, maximum.
Max? So he's at 251.
I'm playing 6 and I'm maximum.
One here?
251. Snap Pray throw off by 18, which is the most important thing.
Honestly, and it's probably worth 100K that match.
We were actually bowling for 100K this game. The rest of the tournament, we're bowling for $1 a game. This one was 100.
How'd that game end up?
Poor execution down the stretch. Kept trying to feed it to the friction too much and kept going through the face. Missed a baby split in there. Tried reactive in the fill and it just was too much. Not ready for it yet. So I think I'm just gonna stick with urethane and see what happens.
put it down.
What did we think after game 1?
Well, I had a 5-bagger.
What are we seeing out there?
Urethane.
Yeah? For how long?
Every game. I'm the urethane king.
No, that's me. What are we seeing out there?
Seeing my urethane balls hooking a lot earlier than the rest of them.
That's all right.
Yeah, I mean, we're just waiting to get to the resin balls and let it eat.
Oh,
Like Jimbo over here, he's eating, yeah. Just let it eat.
We get hungry. Brad says he's throwing urethane for all 8 games.
I bet Brad's not going to bowl on Sunday. Yeah, I missed and it hooked.
Patrick Hanrahan.
I just 7'10".
He's
87 in the fifth. Mark me down for 237.
237. I like it. Let's get it.
Better execution, sort of.
Good.
Grabbed a couple. Yeah, interreactive now. I'm throwing a Zen Master. I tried an idle in the fill, and on 32 feet it didn't hook, so I think it's time to drill in a fresh one. Blue oil is a damn thing, you know.
Missing a little left too, it looked like.
Not by much. Not by much. See, when blue oil gets in a ball, it makes it hook earlier and then less down lane, and it just didn't get there. So
46 over for 2. That's all right.
yeah, 223, 223. One open.
That's all right.
There's a split, so not bad. Because we're on B squad and we've seen how high the scores were, there's a lot of anticipation that every game is going to be like 250. And I'm figuring out a really good way to turn it into 220.
Marking down all the good shots
What
I
did
threw.
we think of that game?
Actually, a really good game. Each pair was not nice, and I figured it out for 2-0.
That 2-0, yeah, I was going to say, the left lane looked like it sparked.
Well, the left lane, the first shot didn't hook. The second two hooked a ton, and then I moved away from it and it didn't hook enough, so ball change.
203.
I'm
Still
throwing a
beating
black
Chris.
hammer because it's better than the purple.
Still beating Chris. Hi, old Sean Wilcox.
Nicholas, you've always bullied me. He's
What
not
do you
as
wanna
nice
tell
as he
the-
seems on camera. You need to unfollow him on all social media platforms.
Follow me on all
Follow
social
me.
media.
Don't follow him. At PBA Wilcox, unfollow Nicholas Pate, please.
Here at PBA Professional BJ Moore, part of the house. Okay, we're gonna watch Packy and Chris here. Okay, they're on a black messenger.
So we're gonna watch and not the camera's not gonna watch?
Nope, just us, and we're gonna react.
So our facial expressions, they have to figure out what was left.
Yeah,
based
they're
off of
commentator
our
now.
Facial expression. Middle on my left.
See, wait, what game is this?
3. I got $1
So
says he makes it.
Nick's not going to see the lanes the right way until game 5.
So,
Side note, Packy's really tall.
Really tall.
Really tall.
how many inches are you, Packy? Laying down.
Centimeters.
76.
Trying to get it.
They seem like they're a little more on the Schnood side from our squad.
Yeah, they don't seem as easy. Packy, you should have requested a squad change.
That's all I'm
Yeah, you guys do not have it as good as we did.
We got another Yang in the.
Whoa.
Squad equity. Squad
Careful,
equity.
careful. Yeah, don't shake the camera.
Don't say that on flow bowling.
Squad
Wait until you hit
equity.
a different pair.
Let's go. How we feeling?
Not good.
Not good.
Not good at all. I'm about 200 behind pace after 3 games. I feel like Nick, first 4 games.
You're actually beating me, so.
Well, that gives me a small glimmer of hope.
Yeah. What game is this?
This is 4.
Game 4.
Yeah, this is game 4. Still had some score left.
Yeah, we like that.
Made a good ball change here. I like it. We're gonna see how long it lasts, though.
What's going on, big guy?
Nicholas? Not now.
That was not the time. It's not going well. It's not going well.
That's all right. I believe in you.
I believe in me too, fam.
Doubles partners for life until you suck.
For life?
Well, until you suck.
Okay, you mean like the way I carried you the first year and then you happen to somehow make the show miraculously?
Oh, we got 9 on a fill shot. Hey, we got 9 on a fill shot. How do you feel?
I got
Increasing that average.
Yeah. I've gotten 5 on every fill shot so far. It's my first game that doesn't end in 3. I feel like I'm loft in the left gutter, but I'm only playing 15. So yeah, pretty good.
Had me beat by 5 at the same point. So.
I'm doing pretty good then.
5?
Done with 5.
What are you at, 161?
161. That's
Respectable.
That's a solid 190. We've bailed out a couple good ones.
You can see over his head.
We're not going to talk about the gutter.
What are we thinking right now?
I ball changed to a purple hammer, and it wasn't the move. I got to stick with the black hammer the whole time, and it's got to work.
Brad method. Urethane for all 8?
Urethane for 8 games, but I didn't bring a reactor ball out here, so it's actually going to happen for me.
Baby.
Brad.
Yeah. This is game 6. Game 6, still urethane.
Still urethane?
And I was going out of it. Sean Ryan told me not to.
You're like, Sean, I gotta prove the vlog something. I gotta go all 8.
All 8, dude.
What are you at? 87 over?
Yeah, I need about 60 over.
Yeah, 2 left?
3 left.
3 left. I like it. I'm gonna go get Kyle Troop's input. After our last conversation.
On yeah.
Still sticking with urethane. Is he bowling tomorrow?
He's got a better chance than me. And I just went back to the thing, so maybe I need
Brad's
to follow.
onto something.
I need to follow Brad's
What are
lead.
you at?
Plus like 12 with 3 to go.
Come on, urethane.
Yeah.
I got a question. I got a bone to pick with you. I just want a little update.
321, not looking so good.
When did we talk last? What were you at?
Was
50
that,
over?
Yeah, that was after 3. 50 over after 3.
Did you shoot 240 that game?
No, I forfeited in the first ball in the 10th for 220. Then I had another 220, so I was at 90 over. And I just had 270.
There it is.
If I miss like 2 more times to the rest of the block,
I'm chalk.
I think 2 more times I might still be able to get there. 79, 79.
150, that'd be 30.
Yeah, I think I can still get there. So
I believe.
there's a pop.
You're at 129?
128, 129 is not good
Oh,
enough.
no. We need 127 to make the cut.
It's 97. We got a chance. Prather's really good.
He gets to throw it right.
Yeah. See his speech
Oh, look at him. What do you think of that?
He kind of tried to do a little Superman thing, but it was kind of a flat 10, so I didn't like it.
What did you just do? Do we still have a pop?
We still got a pop.
Still got a pop?
Still got a pop.
At what?
He wanted me to get to 321 over after I was 50 over the first 3. So,
With muscles like those, anything is possible.
Very angry after 4 games. He had 240 left, shot 220, was, what, 80 over-ish?
yeah, it got me to 72. Got me to 72.
And, yeah, just nutcase. And
I've been worse.
Yeah, we all have. And I said, I'll come talk to you after you finish at plus 321. I heard you passed that.
I did.
Fuck off.
I had 78, 300 to 66. So
Okay, so 34?
44.
Yeah, 844. So that's a way to climb up in the standings if you don't know. Shoot 844.
It typically does help.
Yeah.
It does help. Yeah, we just kind of got into a little groove there. I moved a total of 1 board the last 3 games.
Well,
Yeah,
I wanted to come down and yell at you, tell you to fuck off, but great bowling.
Thank you.
340 over,
It means a lot to me.
and we clipped it, and we shipped it.
Clipped and shipped it, baby.
About how it went for us. I went 140 over, 160 over for the first 4, so pretty depressing finish there, but yeah, I get to bowl a bonus 4 games tomorrow. Really can't move anywhere in the standings unless I shoot 800 out the gate, so I expect nothing less than 840 the first 3. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully some high scores, and if not, I'll be holding the camera and watching Prather Bowl all day. So, see you tomorrow.